Okay, Jennifer. We are going to have a conference about your last DRA test, okay? And so, do you remember what the DRA is? I haven't used that word with you, have I? So it's just a reading test that you take with me when you sit down and I write what you do. Okay. So in the last one you did, you were starting off at a 24, okay? So you were at a 24, which this chart shows that a 24 is an L. So that's middle of second grade, so that's right where you are, right? When you took this test, you were in the middle of second grade? Yeah, so you were doing perfectly. You're on level, your reading is great, okay? So we read that book. And what do all these check marks mean?
That I got them all good.
That you got them all right, exactly. So do you think you missed any words in here? Well, I wrote comprehension, that you understood. That was me writing that you understood what was going on. So did you miss a single word in here? No, you actually didn't. And comprehension, that's how you understand what was going on. Like, do you know the main idea and the setting and the characters? Do you think you got that? Yeah, exactly. So you did a perfect score that you advanced one to 2 books and 2 scores, so you went to a 34, okay? And a 34 score, that means you're reading a 34 book. Or no, you're working on a 34 book. And do you know what 34 is? Do you have a guess for what grade that is?
Third.
Let's see. I think you might be right. So come over to 34 here. And that's the grade level.
Third.
Third. So you're just at the beginning of 3rd grade, which is really cool, right? And what grade are you actually in?
Second.
Second, right. So you're level 6 in Phoenix, and you're already ready for level 7. Okay? So that means that you can move up to Mr. Lozano's class really soon. Okay? All right. Is that cool? Yeah. So how do you feel about reading?
I feel good when I read books.
How come?
Because it makes me learn.
Yeah? What do you learn? What do you like to learn when you read books?
I like to learn like words that I don't know.
Oh, really? What kind of books do you like to read?
I like to read any kind of books.
Any kind of books? Do you have a favorite though? Don't you like princess books or cat books? No? Do you like science books? Yeah, I thought you liked science books because you like learning about all kinds of different new things, right? Oh, and plants. You really like plants and animals. Mm-hmm. All right, so what kind of books do you pick when you go to the library? Our library.
I pick the science books.
Okay. Do you remember what the last science book you read was?
I read about mummies.
Mummies? No way. What room did you get that in?
I read about whales.
And whales? Can you tell me one thing about mummies and whales?
Like when you die, sometimes they make you into a mummy.
Mm-hmm.
And the whale book, they said that in the land they don't kill whales just to eat.
How does it make you feel?
Sad.
Oh, yeah.
There might be no more whales.
Oh, yeah, they're running out, huh? That's too bad. Ooh. All right, so what questions do you have for me? What more do you want to learn from me? Do you feel like you're mastering all your learning targets? Yeah, you definitely are. Do you feel like you're doing it really fast or really slow? What do you think?
Really fast.
You're doing it fast? Okay, so do you think you're learning as much as you can? Okay, so how many learning targets do you like to do each week? You don't know. How many do you usually do? Yeah, you usually do 2 for reading, right? And then how many for math? Okay, usually about 1 or 2. So you're getting about 3 or 4 learning targets done a week, which is really good. Okay? All right, so what do you think you're going to work on for the rest of the year?
I'm going to be working on stuff that I still don't know.
Okay, what kind of stuff do you still not know?
Like, I still don't know about times.
Times, yeah, there's multiplication when we start. Yeah, so you excited for that? Yeah, you guys have been waiting to do that for a long
I
time.
know that 10 times 10 is 100 and 2 times 2 is 4.
Dude, you're good. So yeah, so we're gonna work on that. And then what about reading though? Because we've been talking about reading. So like, what would you like to get better at with reading?
I would like to get better at reading some books that I don't know.
What do you mean? What kind of books?
Like the the books that we read.
Oh, like really long books? Like more chapter books?
Yeah, like Z books.
Mm-hmm. So let's see what a Z level is. It's actually like 5th grade, 5th or 6th grade. That's a good goal. That's not bad at all. Look how many levels away from that you are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Not so bad. Okay. What's that thing that we've been working on where we timed ourselves while we read? Starts with a do you remember? Fluency. Do you remember that? We've been trying to read faster and faster, right? But have it still make sense? Yeah, so we've been reading where it's like, you read a sentence and it's kind of like you're talking, right? So you're not going to go, I am a robot. You're going to go, I am a robot, right? Or like, I like to play in the park. Not, I like to play in the park, right? Is that something you're going to work on too? Cool. All right.
We don't pause, because then it's going to like, there's a period in every single word. It's going to be like, there's a period in every single word.
Exactly. If there was a period after every word, I like to play in the park, right? But we want to say, I like to play in the park. Okay? Good. So you're going to pause at the end of those periods and on between. Cool.